Most people think Google Gemini is just another AI chatbot, but that's only a small part of what it can really do. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful Gemini features that can save you time and make your daily work much easier. The first feature is Gemini Live. Instead of typing long messages, you can simply talk naturally with Gemini. It feels like having a smart AI assistant with you wherever you go. The second feature lets you upload images and documents. Gemini can understand what you upload and explain it in seconds. This is perfect for students, professionals, and everyday users. Another useful feature is screen sharing. Instead of trying to explain everything with words, you can simply share your screen with Gemini. It can instantly understand what you are looking at, ask questions, get step-by-step help, and solve problems much faster. This makes everyday tasks easier and saves a lot of valuable time. The fifth feature is deep research. Instead of searching many websites yourself, Gemini can collect information, organize it, and give you a clear summary in one place. This can save hours of work. These are some of the most useful Google Gemini features you should start using today. Which feature do you like the most? Follow Everyday AI Guide for more simple AI tips every week.